Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 2nd of February 2023. Man, let's talk about Snapchat real quick. I'm going to do a quick video because recently they plunged on earnings. You guys can see that it ended the day down yesterday, 10.25%. Take a look, though. Look to the left of the price chart. I did a price prediction in Snap, right? Back here in November of last year. Actually, it was on the 27th of November, 2022. I was looking for price to go up at that particular moment. And you guys can see on the 1st of December 2022, the price in Snap did go higher and our price target area. It just didn't have enough momentum to push up to $11.49. But let me extend this to the right. You can see up to earnings on the 31st of January that the market in Snap did the same thing. It actually hit our ultimate TB price before price collapsed. Take a look. So I'm not surprised to see the market in Snapchat not trade above 1150 after reports of earnings. We was already anticipating that. Now it took the market, look how long it took the market though in Snapchat to run to $11.49 since I did our price prediction. So from November of last year till February or the 31st of January, it took about 2 months for price in Snapchat to come all the way over to $11.49, $11.50. Now that was 12.75%. Now some of you may say, well, throughout that process, throughout that time, the market in Snapchat went down and it went below where you expected it to go. Yeah, it did. Would you have gotten out the play though when the market in Snapchat traded all the way down here towards 8? Because that's only 20% loss. What is your threshold of pain? Would you have let that go? Because if you'd have just held on, you got that 12.75%. That's why it's very important for you to recognize your emotional thresholds on how price action moves in a stock. Because somebody would have let that play go and would have seen that, man, the whole time I was right. It didn't take no 5 years. It didn't take 10 years. It took a couple of months for your idea to come to fruition. So I'll leave it up to you to let me know if I got this correct or wrong. But let's talk about the market now, Snapchat. So what I'm looking at though, okay, I'm zooming out the chart now, and I must say that I'm not massively bullish or bearish. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to show you the consolidation of trading range that I suppose that Snapchat is going to continue to trade through. Right? So now we've already seen price in Snapchat get rejected at 1150. So that also is a resistance area. So I'm going to bring it down. Okay. So this is the range right here. This is what we need to come to grips with in Snapchat. It's just looking at the market in this space, just trade within these two lines until price either breaks to the downside or it breaks to the upside, right? So all of this here is building up energy for the next big move. We've been in this range ever since August or July of last year. Now notice how the volume in Snapchat came through the last couple of days. And yes, the market was down 10.25%, but it doesn't look drastically weak. We're just trading right back to where we were towards the ending of last year. So look at Snapchat on the monthly chart real quick. You guys can see here over the last couple of months. Look at that very small price bar for January. December, market in Snapchat traded all the way up there. Small spread, decent amount of volume. Market now currently is trading below it. So I don't see a lot of indications that the market in Snapchat is drastically weak. I don't see it. Okay. Also, take a look at this on the 5-day chart. We're not breaking trend in Snapchat yet. And that says a lot. Even in the midst of the negative earnings that they reported, if the market truly was weak, people won't buy the stock. Understand? They won't put money on the line if they understand that Snapchat is not worth it at these levels. So for us to not see price break trend, even on top of the negative sentiment that came through on the earnings, what does that say? That the market is still, if anything, stable. It's not weak though. 3-day. Okay. This upcoming 3-day price bar, which is going to be created right here. Okay. It's not even seen on the chart yet. But if we see price in the next 3 days close higher than this 3-day price bar, the market is still bullish in Snapchat. This high volume. And then we also can tell price in Snapchat closing off of the lows of this last completed 3-day price bar. That tells me that buyers came into the market right now. But I really want to see on the 3 days how the price bar ends. So what I'm looking at though, in terms of price action and trend, is that the market still may be a little bit bullish. It's a little bit stronger than it is in terms of weakness though, right? So what I'm going to do, we're going to place some strength in the market in Snapchat. Now, I'm not going to give you no price target like $15 or $17 or $25. No, it's just going to be within this trading range that I've created. Okay, so let me show you what we got. Let me show what we got. So here it is. My first price target is going to be here, which is around $11.10. Okay. Now, I want the market in Snapchat to hold $8, close to $9. In order for us to anticipate higher prices, that's my first price target, $11 and like 10 cents or so. My second one is going to bring us back up to $11.50 to where the market topped out at. That's 11% move. Third, it's going to be up here around 12. Okay. It's around 16%. How long will it take? That's the question that I cannot answer or predict. We'll just see how it works. So I really want market though in Snapchat to hold this trend line, because if it does that, then even with the negative earnings that was reported, it's telling me that it's not impacting how the market feels, that they're still looking to trend this price up. We do see price break trend, then I definitely want to see the market fall below $9. It will just take the market longer for it to go back up. You know, something of that nature is what I'm thinking about. But I'm done. It is your turn. Let me know, how do you think the market in Snapchat is going to trade going forward, since it has reported its earnings. That is out the way. Now the market can get back to normal business. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.